Okay, so now we're back from our machine shop. We got our finished parts. We made a few samples here. As you can see, we got the holes drilled for the golf shooter and for the tripod adapter, for the cable. Also, we got these holes here that could be used for a lanyard slot or a keychain, like this one. And we're going to test to see all the functions of this using this phone. So we got our stand, portrait and landscape. We got our tripod, portrait and landscape. And then we got our golf shooter. So you can film your golf swing. And last but not least, bottle opener. Okay, so the parts are back from anodize. We have our black anodize, clear, natural, and red. And they're now available on our website for $49.99.